Gentlemen, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Hi, my name is Max Katz-Nelson, but people usually call me Max. I'm a painter, musician, guitar player, piano player, dancer, artist, just a creative artist. In the train station, I've been performing since I was 19. I'm 31 now. It's good to practice in the train station. Since I was 19, I was playing an acoustic guitar, and when I played, I get the reaction of people, and whenever I get any reaction, a good reaction, it motivates me to play better and different. Best memory is probably when I first started playing this type of music. I felt the call of Jesus to me, so I started crying and I was playing. I don't know what that really means, but that was the beginning of my Christianity part of my religion. I wasn't a Christian back then. Before I was playing rock music, I was playing classical music, anything, but it really changed me when I first started playing this type of music.
I enjoy 14th Street. There's always a party going on here. Upstairs, here on the subway, always music playing. It's breathtaking. I get very emotional. Sometimes I cry. It's more alive. It's like if you go to a theater, it's more proper. You're sitting in a row, but here you're more relaxed. You can sit or stand and hear the performance. And feel the vibe. No, I enjoy it. If you notice, I sit at the bench to listen to the performances. Yeah, and then sometimes I'm busy. I'll stop for a second just to listen, and then on my way to do business. Yeah. There was a violin. A person played a violin. Very, very savvy, very beautiful. I got very emotional myself to cry.
So my name is Baptiste. I'm French. I'm 20 years old, and I live in New York City. So, like, if I sing in the subway, people mostly they are rushing, so they just don't want to stop by, listen to me. They're running. They want to take their subway, and that's it. Most of the time, people just look at me, they listen, and they give me a little something. But I met a lot of people. They give me their business card, or people are really nice. They want to discover more about me. So I have my social networks also, so they can usually they take a picture of the links, and then they follow me. My favorite part when I perform, it's like I feel free, and I just feel, I don't know how to explain that, but I just feel like something inside that's really what I want to do. So when I see people smile, or they are enjoying, and for me it's like I give them something, so they give me something and I don't like, even if they don't give me money, I do it because I want to make them happy. So.
A lot of jazz bands that are just unbelievable. A lot of single performers, singers with guitars, either electric or acoustic, classical performers, you name it, you can see it here. What I like about public performances is the originality. You hear things that you never hear before. There's something very unique about Union Square that's not the same anywhere else. New Yorkers are oblivious to a lot of things because they have so much of music and the arts and fashion and everything. They're not impressed with anything. I am just used to it. It's an everyday thing.
just wanna be part of your symphony.